I'm as free a little bird as I can be. I'm as free a little bird as I can be. Gonna build my nest in that sour apple tree. Those bad boys will never bother me. Well, who's gonna shoe your little foot? Who's gonna glove your little hand? Who's gonna kiss your sweet rosy cheeks when you come home from this far distant land? Oh, it's Papa gonna shoe my little foot, Mama gonna glove my little hand, 'cause you gonna kiss my sweet rosy cheeks when I come home from this far distant land. All right. Take me home, little bird, take me home. Take me home by the light of the moon, with the moon shining bright, the stars giving light. Take me home to my mama, take me home, 'cause I'm as free a little bird as I can be. Yeah, I'm as free a little bird as I can be. Gonna build my nest in that sour apple tree. Those bad boys will never bother me.